Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tasty Bite Hub. Today, we're all about celebrating the vibrant colors and wholesome nutrition of vegetables in a dish that's as quick as it is delicious, a flavorful veggie stir-fry. Let's jump right into this burst of flavors. Today's recipe is all about the goodness of vegetables. We have a colorful lineup here: bell peppers, carrots, snap peas, and some fresh greens. It's like a rainbow on a plate. Let's get these veggies prepped. Washing, peeling, and slicing. It's all about that fresh and wholesome goodness. Look at those vibrant colors. Heat up your wok or skillet, and let's get that sizzle going. A splash of oil, and in goes our colorful medley of veggies. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of flavor. Now, let's take our stir-fry to the next level with a flavorful sauce. It's all about balance, a touch of sweetness, a hint of saltiness, and a burst of umami. Can you smell that wonderful aroma? And just like that, our flavorful veggie stir-fry is ready to shine. Look at these gorgeous colors coming together. A sprinkle of sesame seeds and fresh herbs, and it's a work of art. Time to dive in. The crunch, the flavors, the goodness. It's a symphony of taste and health. This veggie stir-fry is truly a celebration of nature's bounty. Thank you for joining me in creating this flavorful veggie stir-fry. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delightful cooking inspiration. Stay vibrant, stay healthy, and until next time, keep cooking with love.